Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually swap between game modes really fast. So the game mode inside the game is something that will change your game entirely. For example, the survival mode is the normal mode, which monster world can attack you and you have limited resources, and you will be like just normal Minecraft player. That's is survival in the game. The creative mode, which is the mode that I'm on it right now, and basically it is the overpowered mode that you can feel as just like the god mode of the game. You have infinite resources, you can do whatever you want, no one can touch you. For example, if I touch this iron golem, he will not touch me as as well. So for example, if I went to this slime, he will not give a damn about me, as you can see. If for example, if I spawned any monsters, zombie, he will not care about me, he will not even look at me. For example, let's put it in here without any fire, as you can see, and as you can see right now, he will not give me any attention. And there's the third mode, which is the spectator mode. For example, let's do it, game mode spectator, and that's basically the game mode that you will be on. For example, if you play Hypixel or any server that has Minecraft mini games, after you die you will be on this mode that you can touch anything, you can do anything. You have your inventory, but you can't really touch it, move it, or even put it down. What else? You can't go like through walls, but people can't see you. You can really do anything else, but you can't really do the thing that you will be doing in the survival or the creative mode. So how can you keep swapping between these three? Well, basically it's pretty simple. All you can do is go to here slash and make sure that your open to LAN is on. So open to LAN, and click on open to LAN, and then allow sheet, and then from there click on save and go back to your game. So you can allow your sheet mode, and then click on here game mode, and from here you can choose between adventure, survival, or the creative, or spectator, or survival. And yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.